Vince with Klein Tools, and I'm showing our latest Klein Tools rolling tool bag. This is the new 20 pocket version. Comes with a heavy duty telescoping handle. Has nice heavy duty 8-inch wheels in case you're dragging this thing through the dirt or the gravel. You can see right here it's got heavy duty latches, and the latches of course are locking the hard top. What the hard top is going to provide for us is a new load rating, 250 pounds. So you could use it for hauling tools, or if you wanted to use it as a hand truck, you could do that as well. You'll also notice when I open it up, in the front right here is a little opening, and what you could do with the opening is you could use it for either putting in the Klein Bluetooth speaker, the job site speaker, or Klein Tools makes a hockey puck LED light you could also put in there. When using the job site speaker, we've got a little cutout for your phone, 2 openings for your Gatorade or water, and then